before Kentucky can get to growing this, still well before harvesting it, and then processing it. For sale as medicine, all business interests in medical marijuana will have to make the cut by submitting their plans. The portal is now open online to apply for a license. It's not just a couple pages that you got to fill out. It's actually a pretty thick file.
Correct. You have to submit a lot of documents and information.
The supporting paperwork is extensive.
You have to submit a site plan for your property for a secured location. You have to submit operational plans that comply with complex regulations. You have to submit a financial plan.
And that's just to name a few. Attorney Kristen McCall and her Denton's law firm.
So we are at the forefront of cannabis law in the country.
Say there has been an influx of businesses reaching out for help, with application fees ranging from $3,000 to $20,000. An incomplete or inaccurate submission can be a costly mistake.
The application fee is non-refundable.
However, mistakes can be corrected during a so-called 10-day cure period.
But it's important to note that there are some components of the application that take substantial time to obtain or to develop, such as sufficient capital or making sure that you have a qualified property with right title and interest in that property. So there are some deficiencies that might not be able to be cured in that 10-day period.
What's at stake are licenses for 16 cultivators, 10 processors, and 48 dispensaries. That's for the whole state.
They're doing an initial limited license round now.
However, there's currently no limit on safety compliance facilities, which will test the medical marijuana for purity and any contamination. Even though the window is now open, it doesn't close on license applications until August 31st. It's not first come, first serve, so McCall says there's no real advantage to applying on day one.
Technically, the regulators can amend the regulations or issue further guidance on the licensing regulations anytime in July. So it actually might be more advantageous for businesses to wait until later in July or until August to file their application.
Once an application is filed, the Kentucky Medical Cannabis Program has 15 days to acknowledge receipt of it. Then, as many as 45 days more to learn if that application is approved or denied. John Charlton, WHAS 11, on your side.